Hey you.
What?
Why are you sitting here? Isn't it for you he's searching out there?
The dust doesn't work for me. The moment I take dust, I sneeze.
What sort of guy he is?
Hey, who is this dust-covered
There
wild
is
dog?
the coat.
What is this makeup?
Oh, you got the coat?
So this is what he was saying.
That's awesome.
COT
Great,
code.
but a little dusty. Let me try and wear this.
Mummy, Bijoy broke the glass.
You dude.
Hey, Mom. Come on. Just come over here. Put it there. Right. Come here. Please come with me. Please. Come on. Please, come on. Come on. Please come with. Please come now. Come with me, please. Come on. Sheh. You just sit here and relax. I want to show you something. Look.
This,
It's a coat, Ma. Let me put my hand in it. Come on. It's very tight.
it doesn't fit. Where did you get this from?
That question is not important.
What is to be done with
Wait.
it?
I'll show it to you.
Why are you taking out the curtain?
Just a curtain.
Huh?
If you tell Dad, he'll get the other one from the
Why
Gulf.
is it?
Arey, I will
Oh,
tell
my
you now.
curtain.
Arey, Mom, it's just a curtain, right? I will tell you. Now look here. Cut here. Put this piece and it will fit you correctly.
How cut?
Let me show you. Hold this. Hold this. Cut it from here.
My curtain boy.
Right?
You're mad.
Okay.
Hold this.
Nice jacket.
Thank you. That's a Papa's gift.
Oh,
Last year, on the eve of Christmas, he got this from Paris.
oh, Paris.
Yeah. Well, you're looking very pretty today, Mitra.
Oh, thank you.
Actually, I'm studying nothing. School, colleges, they just don't belong to me, right? The turning point of my life so far has been Appu Bro's acquaintance moment.
Who is Appu?
Oh, come on. Nobody knows him by that name. Pranav Mohanlal. Actually, I used to call him Appu Bro in the college.
You know Pranav? Oh my god.
Obviously.
Still Pranav. I can't believe it. Any photos taken together?
Let me tell you, he doesn't like taking selfies. But still, I have few photos of him which were taken in college and are kept in my room. Next time I will get them. Okay?
Not posted in Facebook?
Mitra, I don't use these Facebook and WhatsApp anymore. All these stuff are just waste of time. That time could be used for reading books or going for a ride. You know?
You are totally a different person. I mean, I haven't seen anyone like you in my life. And I must say that I'm impressed.
Correct.
Could we leave? Can't be late anymore.
Yeah, sure. Excuse me, bill please.
Sir, bill. Sorry, sir. Network is down. Card swiping not possible.
Oops. Mitra, I'll just be back. I'll just go and get the cash. Okay?
No, I have
No,
cash
no,
with
no,
me.
no, no,
I
no,
will
no,
pay.
no, no.
Give.
No.
Give. I will pay.
I'll pay.
Give now.
I'll pay.
It's fine. Next time, you owe me a bigger treat, okay?
Why not?
Thank
Welcome,
you.
ma'am. Thank you.
Sorry. Next time, okay?
What happened?
I have been giving him tip for a long time. Today it didn't happen.
So what? I will give him.
Hey, no, Mitra.
Hey, just a second.
Yes.
Sorry, I normally give him 200 bucks.
Okay. Let's go.
Why not? Dude, where were you? I've been waiting for so long. Give me that money. It's only 150.
That will be fine, buddy. Let me just keep $50.